let us work out a few sample calculations. The first question says, using the scale 1 inch to 4 miles, calculate the actual distance on the ground if the following lengths are found on the map. So this is saying that the scale is saying that for every 1 inch on the map, it's equal to 4 miles on the actual ground. So if that is the case, what is the actual length on the ground if the length found on the map is A, 2 inches, B, 3.5 inches, and C, 1.25 inches? So we'll start by answering the first question, 1A, 2 inches. So if the scale on the map is 1 inch equals 4 miles, then that means 2 inches would equal 4 miles times 2, which gives us 8 miles. Okay, so that's to answer A. B says, what if the length on the map is 3.5 inches? So 3.5 inches, to calculate that, we would say 4 miles times 3.5 inches. So you can use your calculator for this, 3.5 inches times 4 miles, and that gives us 14 miles. And C says, what if the length on the map is 1.25 inches? Well, then we calculate that by saying 4 miles times 1.25, or if you're putting it on your calculator, you would say 1.25, because 1.25 is the same as 1.25, and you would get 5 miles. Okay, so those would be the answers for that one. The second question says, using the scale 1 centimeter to 100 meters, so that means for every centimeter on the map, it's equal to 100 meters on the actual ground. So using the scale 1 centimeter to 100 meter, convert the following lengths on the map to distances on the ground. Okay, so A, 25 centimeters, B, 6 centimeters, and C, 50 centimeters. 1 centimeter is 100 meters. Okay, so now we need to find the distances on the map for 25 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and also 50 centimeters. How do we calculate that? Well, what I like to do to make things easy, I like to start from the beginning and say if 1 centimeter equals 100 meters, then that means 2 centimeters equals 100 meters times 2, which is 200 meters. And 3 centimeters would equal 100 meters times 3, which is 300 meters. So forth and so forth until we get to 25 centimeters. So 25 centimeters would be equal to 100 meters times the 25, which gives us 2,500 meters. So 25 centimeters on the map is actually equal to 2,500 meters on the ground. And 6 centimeters would be 100 meters times 6 centimeters, which is 600 meters. 50 centimeters would be 100 meters times 50, which would give us 5,000 meters. So those are the answers to those questions.